Hey everyone, welcome to the part 12 of report building in Power BI. In this video of ours, we are going to have a look at the drill up and drill down feature available in Power BI, which actually enables us to, drill up a level and drill down to a particular granular level in a line and an area chart. So let us go ahead and have a look at it. So here in our past video, we have plotted these two area charts, which were the weekly profit and weekly profit area charts. Weekly profit and weekly returns. So I forgot to change the heading of it. Yeah, so these were the weekly profit and weekly returns area charts that we have created. Now what if suppose instead of a weekly one, I want to have it have a flexibility that if I want to have a look at it from the monthly perspective, quarterly or yearly and so on perspectives. So that feature in Power BI is known as drill up and drill down feature. Let us have a look how we can do that. So here we can see that on the x-axis we have the start of the week field. So I'm going to show you two ways in which we can do it. The first way is instead of putting the start of the week, we can put the date field over here. Okay, so in our data set, you can observe that we have created a date hierarchy. So this date hierarchy we can drag and drop over here and it will manage all the fields, which includes, as you can see, as I dragged and dropped date hierarchy, it has year, start of the month, start of the week till date. Okay, and as I do it, you can also notice that these are the two drill up and drill down arrow buttons that are added in my chart. So let us have a look at how we can do that. So this is on a weekly level. So if I drill it up, it is going to, instead of weekly, it will be taken to monthly level. Then if I take it up, it will be taken to the yearly level and so on. All right, so this is the total yearly chart which we can have a look at. Okay, let me further drill it down. So from here it is going to, I think the scale is not visible, so yeah, so now it will be more clear. So it is a yearly chart. When I further drill it down, it is taking me, it will take me to a monthly one and so on. Yeah, so this is a monthly one and the weekly one and so on. All right, weekly till daily. So this is the daily chart that we got. Okay, so instead of having a fixed chart for a fixed duration, we can have a flexibility of having this chart, and now instead of calling it a weekly profit report, I can call it as a trending profit. Okay, so you can observe the profit trends over here. Okay, so profit trend I can call it as. All right, so this is the profit trend. So this is the first way in which we can add up a drill up and drill down facility over the x-axis by, instead of having the start of the month or start of the year, the fields like that, we can simply drag and drop the date hierarchy. Okay, now here I will show you the second method. In here, instead of the date hierarchy, I am going to drag and drop the individual fields. Okay, so we have to drag and drop them in that order. So let us drag and drop them. So firstly, we are going to drag and drop start of the year. Then maybe we have a quarter also. So we can have start of the quarter, then start of the month as well, and so on. Okay, so maybe if I want to keep it till only start of the month, so yeah, so this could be the field. So you can see it is showing us all the starting of the months. So I can drill it up to the quarter. So this is the quarterly report. You can observe over here from January to April, then from July to October and so on. And this will be the yearly returns report. Okay, so here I have dragged and dropped the fields of my kind of drill down hierarchy, that I want the highest level to be the year and the lowest level to be the month, and according to that it will provide me the drill up and drill down features. Okay, there are further options. Please feel free to explore them and observe their effects. So you can see this takes me to the lowest kind of hierarchy and so on. All right, so this is the drill up and drill down feature. Please do the same for the customer details chart as well. So in the customer details report, we have a line chart. So in the line chart also, instead of having the start of the week on x-axis, I can drag and drop the date hierarchy. Okay, so date hierarchy is a much straightforward way. So I'm going to drag and drop the date hierarchy over here, and instead of calling it as a weekly revenue, I am going to call it as revenue trend. Revenue trend. All right, so here you can observe that I can drill it up to the kind of level that I want, and so on. So it is yearly, then you can drill it down to monthly, quarterly, and so on. Okay, so please do the same on the executive dashboard also. So it gives your reports flexibility. So instead of having a line chart based on months, you can have a line chart based on the date hierarchy. Yeah, so that's it for this video. So here also please rename it. So rename your report charts properly, the charts properly. So you can have it as returns trend.